Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own online stores without the need for extensive technical knowledge. It provides a user-friendly interface and a range of customizable templates, making it easy for anyone to set up a professional-looking online store quickly. With Shopify, you can add products, manage inventory, process payments, and handle shipping and fulfillment, all within the platform. In summary, Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that empowers entrepreneurs and businesses to create and manage their own online stores. It provides an intuitive interface, customizable design options, and a range of features to streamline the selling process. With its vast app ecosystem and reliable infrastructure, Shopify offers a powerful solution for individuals looking to start and scale their online businesses. Starting a Shopify business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Research and choose a niche, identify a specific product or industry that you're passionate about and that has market demand. Conduct market research to validate your idea and ensure there's a potential customer base. Create a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website, www.shopify.com, and sign up for an account. Choose a suitable pricing plan based on your budget and business needs. Set up your store. Customize your store's appearance by selecting a theme from the Shopify theme store. Add your branding elements, logo, and content to make it unique and appealing to your target audience. Configure essential settings such as payment gateways, shipping options, and taxes. Add products. Decide on the products you want to sell and add them to your store. You can either create your own products or consider dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and fulfillment. Optimize product pages. Write compelling and detailed descriptions for each product, highlighting their features and benefits. Include high-quality product images or videos to attract customers. Use SEO techniques to optimize product titles and descriptions for search engines. Set up payment and shipping. Choose a secure payment gateway to handle transactions. Shopify integrates with various popular payment providers. Define your shipping settings, including rates, zones, and delivery options. Establish a marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan to attract customers to your store. Utilize a mix of digital marketing techniques such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising. Leverage Shopify's built-in marketing tools and integrations with third-party apps. Launch your store. Before launching, thoroughly test your store for any issues or bugs. Ensure a smooth checkout process, responsive design, and mobile compatibility. Perform a test order to ensure payment and shipping systems are functioning correctly. Monitor analytics and performance. Use Shopify's analytics dashboard to track your store's performance, including sales, traffic sources, and customer behavior. Gain insights to optimize your marketing efforts and identify areas for improvement. Provide excellent customer support. Establish a customer support system to address inquiries, provide assistance, and handle returns or refunds promptly. Utilize tools like live chat, email, and social media to connect with customers. Scale and grow. As your business gains traction, analyze customer feedback and sales data to identify opportunities for growth. Consider expanding your product offerings, targeting new customer segments, or exploring additional sales channels like Amazon or eBay. Remember, building a successful Shopify business takes time and effort. Stay committed, continuously learn and adapt, and seek inspiration from successful entrepreneurs in your industry. Good luck with your venture. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment.
Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.